Smoked chicken drumsticks in just 3 easy steps by SMB Recipes Gujarati. Ingredients: 8 pieces chicken drumsticks, 2 tablespoons vinegar sarko, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon black salt, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon oil. How to make. Step 1. Pela chicken na legs par cut mako taka yena and attack masalo posh. Pachi ye legs any ek bol lo ain yamasako, ginger garlic paste, black salt, black pepper powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and oil nako ain barabar mix carolo. Pachi ara mixture any 1 hour mate side par muki do taka yena par masalo jadi sake. Step 2. Hor ek pan lo ain yen medium flame par garam thawado, pachi yema legs piece mako and pan any cover carado ain medium flame par cook thora do for 10 minutes. Then pan any colo and legs piece any turn caro, so biji side cb barabar cook thai, turn cara bard pan any pacho cover carry dejo ain 10 minutes mate cook carjo on medium flame. Step 3. Hor ek kolso cold new piece lo ain yen garam caro. Pachi silver foil new small piece lo ain yen pan ma mako ain yen a par garam kolso mako, dot ain yen a par thodo oil nakho. Ain pachi pan any cover carado. Kolso new puro doo niklajawa dejo ain pachi pan koljo. Chicken drumsticks ready. Green chutney and sliced onion sath serve carjo.